The story is told of a young man that expressed his interest in marrying the farmer's daughter. He plucks up the courage, knocks on the farmer's home, and he says, "I'd like to marry your daughter." The farmer responds and says, "Listen here, my dear fellow, I'm going to release 3 bulls from the barn, one by one. If you manage to grab one of them by the tail, you can marry my daughter." So the man says, "Sure, this is easy." He stands back as the door opens of the barn, and this huge, fierce-looking, ugly bull comes out, and he's petrified. He says, "I can't do this. I'll wait for the next one. The next one is probably much easier." That one goes by. He opens up the barn door. The next one comes out. Absolutely humongous. This huge beast. He said, "No way. I'm not going anywhere near that. I'll wait for the third one." Comes the third bull. The door opens and the young man smiles. This is easy. He sees this scrawny little thin bull. This could be easy. He waits for the bull to pass, and exactly at the right moment he jumps and he sees that there is no tail. The Chofetz Chaim in this week's Parsha tells us that when Moshe Rabbeinu stood up and said to Klal Yisrael, "Mila Hashem Elai," what does that mean? So the Chofetz Chaim used to go over to people and say, "Are you a Kohen?" And they would say, "No." And the Chofetz Chaim would say, "Well, why not?" "Well, because my father's not a Kohen." And the Chofetz Chaim said, we learn from this week's Parsha, Moshe Rabbeinu offers the opportunity to anyone. Mila Hashem Elai. And who came? Shevet Levi. We know in life, some opportunities are hard and some opportunities are easier. But one thing we have to know, when an opportunity comes our way to do something good, to help somebody else, to improve on ourselves, to do a mitzvah, to learn Torah, then we grab that opportunity because it may never come back again. Have a wonderful Shabbos.
To listen to more by Rabbi Avi Wiesenfeld, visit